Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remote start your Kia Telluride. First, ensure your vehicle is completely locked. This is a crucial first step for the remote start system to activate. We'll be using your standard key fob, which offers a straightforward and convenient way to get your engine running before you even step inside. It's a simple process that will have your car ready and comfortable for you. To begin, press the lock button on your key fob one time. You'll hear a confirmation click, letting you know the doors are secured. Immediately after, press and hold the remote start button. This button often has a circular arrow icon. Keep holding it for approximately 3 seconds until you see the vehicle's exterior lights flash, indicating the remote start sequence has begun successfully. Once the lights flash, your Kia Telluride's engine will start, and it will run for a default period of 10 minutes. The climate control system will also activate, setting your cabin to a comfortable temperature based on its last settings. If you need more time, you can repeat the remote start process to extend the runtime for another 10 minutes, giving you a total of 20 minutes. When you're ready to enter your vehicle, simply unlock the doors using your key fob. Once inside, place your foot on the brake pedal. This action will fully engage the ignition system. Now, you can shift the gear selector into drive or reverse, and you're all set to begin your journey with a pre-warmed or pre-cooled cabin. Enjoy the convenience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.